Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for the first time my channel, please do subscribe my channel. So in this video you will be knowing the excellent tips in Excel. So where you can improve your productivity by using this. So this is the list of the tips. We'll see step by step in upcoming minutes. So the first one is select visible sales data only. Here I have a data set with their sales of each agent. So now what I am doing is I'm going to hide couple of columns. So I want to see the data, only visible sales data to be copied in other sheet. So I'm selecting and using a copy option and pasting in the different sheet. If you see, I have selected only couple of line items and copied, but here it is copying entire data. It is not showing only the visible sales data. To view the visible sales data, what I will do is I'll select this and go to find and select option, go to special. Here you will find visible cells only. Just select it. Okay, just copy it and paste in the different sheet. You can able to see the difference. So when I'm doing earlier, it is copied entire data. Now when I'm using this option, it was copying only the visible cells data. This is the first method. The other method is just select the data and use the shortcut key of Alt and semicolon. So it will select the data, just copy and you can paste it in your different sheet according to your requirement. You can see how I have copied. And the third option is we can add the button over here by using a control ribbon options. So we'll see that. So to add that one, just right click on your ribbon, customize the ribbon. So it will open the Excel option. So here you will use the customize option. The choose commands from here. You will select the commands not in the ribbon and directly go to S options. So this is all about the commands which is not available in your ribbon. So you can include it from here. So if you see here the select visible cells option, just select it, add it. So it was asking for a new group. So I'll create a new group here. Under a new group, I'll select this custom option, add it, press OK. So if you see on the top right, it was added as a select visible cells only. So what I'll do, I'll select the data and pick on this, copy and paste here. It was selected only the data which is visible. So this is all about the tip number 1. We'll see the tip number 2. This is like a if we see PowerPoint, it is a presentation mode kind of thing. So how I will add is like I'll go to same custom ribbon. So we'll add the button over here first, then we'll see other options also. Just go to commands in the ribbon and go to F and look for the full screen view. So if you see full screen toggle, you can add over here. Again it is asking for a group, so I'll select this group only and I'll add it here. Just press OK. Now you can able to see the full screen was added here. When I press full screen, it is showing a full screen. If I pick on escape, it will show me the ribbons and all the things. See, I have pressed on escape. You can see again. If I press escape, it will come out of full screen. The other shortcut is Control Shift F1. If you use this, it will be take you to full screen mode. If you want to exit, again press Control Shift F1. so it will be out of full screen. So this is the two different methods on a full screen. So auto correction is something you are correcting the words automatically by using some options. So this is mainly used for a data entry work. So what I'll do is, here I'll create one of the name I'm taking as a copy. So I'll go to options. To go to options, it is Alt T and O. Just press Alt T O. It will route you to one is by pressing Alt T O. Other one is just pick on your file option, and here you will have a options. Just select here. Just select on a proofing. The auto correction options is there, right? You can select here auto correction and types replace something like I'm taking a here I'm giving RC hyphen 10005 just add it and okay. Press OK. If I want to enter, what I'll do is I'll take A and space. It will route me to the value which I have entered. You can add anything. So if you are working on a data entry, it will be very easy for you. You can use A space because I have given a option as a replace word as a. That's the reason it is taking as a. So this is the about third tip, auto correction. So we'll see the other things in next video. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please click on a bell icon and subscribe my channel.